right, here we are, part number 5. We're actually getting ready to attempt the actual repair at this point. I'm just going to compare these two shingles. I'm going to do a few photos just for documentation purposes. One thing that we have not talked about up to this point, just because it wasn't relevant in the beginning, is the matching. You can kind of see how at this point what doesn't look very good is how well they match. I am going to try to measure and just kind of compare, just to kind of see if we have. It does appear to be a little bit longer. That's pretty close. I'm going to take a measurement up here up top, which it was just a hair short of 36. I'll take a couple pictures of this really quick. So the size seems to be comparable. Inch exposure. It does dimensionally, it does match pretty good. Let's go ahead and see how it works. And I do want to explain a couple things while I'm going to walk up here. Is again, in the assessment area, why we have so many shingles that are chalked out. We actually have to manipulate them a little bit to fasten this correctly and fasten what nails we took out up here above. At that point, we're actually going to have to raise them up. It might be prone to creasing, things of that nature, a little bit of tearing. I'm going to go ahead and start from the top coming down. Try to avoid massive creasing or damage. Make sure that we're good in place. And I want to explain something here. We have nails up here holding this shingle down. I have to do a pretty level strike and fasten this to the decking as level as I can. I do see a little bit of loss.
On this video, you can actually see the granules bouncing off the shingles.
Yeah,
that's tough.
And the top shingles are more prone to this because, again, there's actually nails on this line holding this in place, so you have to lift it up even. There's almost no play in it. You have to do some manipulation. That one wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead and move down a little bit. Good.
We're at about 4.5 inch. I'm going to move into part 6.